In today's video, I'll show you how to disable startup apps on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, I'm just gonna show you two methods, two very easy methods. So just let's get into the first one. At first, just be on your desktop, then just go to your taskbar and right click on it, then just click on Task Manager. Then just expand Task Manager. Then from the left hand button, click on Open Navigation. Then just go to Startup Apps. You can minimize this. And after that, you'll find all of the apps that are being started on your startup. The status of those apps will be set to enabled. For example, for me, Xbox, Riot Client, Valorant Vanguard, Security Health, all of these are set to enabled. And the rest is disabled. Those doesn't start up when my system starts. So to disable these, which I don't need, what I can do is just go ahead and right click on them and click on disable. Then as you can see, the status changes to disable. You can do it for all the apps that you don't need on your startup. And this is going to make your PC a lot faster. And then just close this. And that was method 1 of it. And I'll show you method 2 now. For method 2, just search for settings over here. Then just open up settings. Then from the left hand side, just go to accounts. Then from the left hand side, just go inside apps. Then from apps at the bottom here, you'll find startup. Apps that start automatically when you sign in, just expand this section. And after you do, you're going to find a bunch of softwares over here. As you can see, most of them are turned off. You can turn them on if you want them to start on your startup. And if you don't want them on startup, you can just simply turn them off. And do it for all of them that you don't need. And that's basically it. And basically, that is how to disable apps on startup on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.